Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to use an LCD display with an I2C module. The I2C module has 4 pins, 2 for power supply and the other 2 for data transferring, and there is a small potentiometer to adjust the backlight. The 2 data pins SDA and SCL are connected to the SDA and SCL of Arduino board, which is A4 and A5. The diagram for the wiring is given in the description of the video. If the wiring is correct and when it is connected to the PC, the backlight of the LCD will come active. You also need to install a I2C library. The link to download the library is in the description. Follow the steps to install it. I have already installed it. Every I2C module has an address and you need to add it in every code you are using LCD with I2C. So to find the address you need to run this code. You can find the link to download the code in the description. In my case my address is 27, so you need to remember your address. This also proves that the LCD and I2C module is working properly. To upload a simple code saying hello to the LCD, follow my steps. There are 2 libraries for the LCD display: the wire library and liquid crystal I2C library. This is where you must change the address of your LCD display. After uploading the code you can see a text "Hello World" in your LCD display. If the text is not appearing after uploading, you need to adjust the potentiometer. Also, as in bonus, I have also given a link to download the file that can be used to display multiple messages. All you need to do is change the text in uploading it. So guys, please subscribe and follow me at Instagram DIY Tech Hacker. See you in the next video.